Saving money on vacation. Saving money on vacation. Vacations are a great way to relax, unwind, and make memories with loved ones. However, they can also be quite expensive. Fortunately, there are a number of ways to save money on your next vacation. 1. Plan ahead. 1. The earlier you book your vacation, the more likely you are to find deals on flights, hotels, and activities. 1. This is especially true for popular destinations during peak travel seasons. 2. Be flexible. 2. If you're open to different travel dates or destinations, you'll have a better chance of finding deals. 2. For example, traveling during the off-season or midweek can often result in lower prices. 3. Consider alternative accommodations. 3. Instead of staying in a hotel, you can save money by renting a vacation home or apartment, or even camping. 4. Look for package deals. 4. Many travel companies offer packages that bundle flights, hotels, and activities at a discounted rate. 5. Save on food costs by cooking your own meals or eating at local restaurants instead of touristy areas. 6. Use rewards points or credit card perks. 6. Many credit cards offer rewards or travel points that can be used to book flights, hotels, or rental cars. 7. Be smart about transportation. 7. Compare prices and consider renting a car or taking public transportation instead of taking a taxi or rideshare service. 8. Don't overspend on souvenirs or activities. 8. Instead, focus on experiences that are free or low cost, such as hiking, visiting a park, or exploring a city's street art. By following these tips, you can save money on your next vacation and make the most of your travel budget. Remember that the point is to enjoy and make memories, not to overspend and have a debt when you get back home.